2012 Infiniti G37 4-door, not coupe. Almost said coupe. Anyways, what we got done on it, still got factory converters there and there. He's gonna bring it back later down, probably in about a month. We're gonna true dual it, complete the rest of it. But for now, what we did on it, did a dual resonator delete and dual muffler delete. There and there. And there and there. That's how you do a resonator and a muffler delete into 4-inch blue flame tips. That always looked really good on these cars. There and there. Just completes the look completely. I like it. It's dark outside, guys. Sorry, it's the last car of the day. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. We did 2 1/4 pipe. It originally comes with 2-inch pipe, but we did 2 1/4. Open it up a little bit more, let it breathe. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the mufflers and resonators we took off. They're the black mufflers, and these are the resonators right there. That's what they come on it. And then 2 black mufflers we cut off. And then other stuff from other cars. There it is. You guys ready to hear it? Hope you like it. Much better. Oh, babe. Do it again. 117. That's badass. I like it. It sounds really good. What do you think? You like it?
Sounds good.
Heck yeah. Sorry guys, it's snowing over here. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI G37. G37. Boom. Boom. Beast mode right there. Hell yeah. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Hope you like it.